Now let's move to our next segment, the quiz. This is a multiple choice quiz and you can write your answers in the comment section down below. Our first question is, I dash English every day, but now I don't have the time. And the options are A, used to reading, B, used to read, C, used to read. Okay, and our second question is, I was surprised to see her running. She dash when I knew her. And the answers are, and the options are, didn't used to run, didn't used to run, and didn't use to running. Now let's move on to our third sentence. Okay. When you were a teenager, did you do rap music? Okay. This is a question. Okay. And the options for answer are A, used to listening, B, used to listen, and C, used to listen. Now we will examine our fourth sentence. I don't like revising for exams, but it. And the options are am got used to, B, am get used to, and C, am getting used to. Now let's move on to our last sentence. When I started waitressing, I needed help with carrying trays, but now I them by myself. And the options are A, used to carry, B, am used to carrying, and option C, get used to carrying. Okay, please give your answers in the comment section below. That's it for today's session. Hope it helped you learn something. Please consider subscribing or following if you like the content, and share with others whom you wish to improve their English. Thanks very much for watching all the way to the end, and have a nice day.